Welcome to CrashMagic. In today's video we've got a card trick that I call Data Intercept. It's based on a classic card trick method that I've slightly modified and created a storyline for. If you want to learn how the trick's done, there's a full tutorial immediately after. I hope you enjoyed the performance, and if you do, please give the video a like. Welcome agent. This entire deck is a live data stream we've intercepted from a rival cell. Every card is a data packet. The data itself has been encrypted. Our goal is to isolate the one crucial piece of information. This is a blind operation, meaning we rely entirely on your instincts to pinpoint the moment the crucial data segment passes by. I'll transmit the packets one by one. You must call out isolate the instant you feel the target segment is about to be revealed. Don't hesitate. Timing is everything in decryption. Isolate. Just here? Are you sure? You have isolated the segment. We'll discard the rest of the transmission. Now inside this electromagnetically shielded bag, I placed our predicted output before the intercept began. If your judgment was sound and our calculations were correct, we should have located the target packet. This was our expected target output. The 9 of diamonds. Let's see what data packet your isolate command captured. The 5 of spades. It doesn't match. Of course though, this is the data in its raw encrypted form. We have the packet, but we're missing the crucial element, the cipher key. We're dealing with a Caesar cipher. It's a simple, powerful encryption that requires a single numeric shift key. If the raw data doesn't match the target, it means the key to decryption is hidden within the data protocol. A shift of 6, so the data packet we need is not the first, but the 6th packet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 9 of diamonds and a successful operation. Well done, agent. So that was the card trick, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and would like to learn how it's done, this is the tutorial. The trick itself is incredibly easy to do and there's no difficult sleights involved. There's a little setup needed, but from then on it's pretty much self-working. We use a standard pack of cards and choose any card that you'd like to be your target result. Then from another pack of cards, pick out a duplicate of that card, or alternatively you could just write this prediction on a piece of paper. And you also need a card or piece of paper with the cipher key of Shift 6 written on it. Now these both need to go into your prediction bag. Like so. Or you could instead put those predictions into a card box. Now take your selected card, 9 of diamonds in our case, and then take any of the 5 random cards and place your selected card on the bottom. So we've got 6 cards here with our target card on the bottom, and we are going to hide this packet of cards under our prediction bag, or if you're using a card box, under the card box. So the bag or box is not only used to contain our prediction, it's also a prop to hide these 6 cards. And now you're ready to begin presenting the card trick. And with that setup done, it's like an impromptu card trick from this point on. So that means you can hand the cards to the spectators to shuffle. You're then going to deal the cards one at a time and ask a spectator to stop you wherever they like. Now you don't want them to suddenly say stop after you've only dealt a few cards, because in a second when we place the 6 hidden cards on top, it will be very obvious the number of cards has changed. So you want to manage the point at which the spectator says stop by giving the instructions as you start dealing. so that you've already dealt maybe a third of the cards before they have chance to stop you. Wherever they freely choose to stop you, you can then discard the rest of the cards, and you carefully pick up your prediction bag along with the 6 hidden cards underneath and place it on top of the dealt cards. And that is why using something a bit larger like a bag does make it easier than a card box where the hidden cards might get spotted. Now you can pull out your predictions and begin by showing the prediction card, our duplicate 9 of diamonds. Then you can show the card the spectator apparently freely stopped at. They will think there's no way they stopped at the exact match, and they'll actually be right. But you can then show the cipher key which states the matching card should be at the 6th position from where they stopped. And you can count down to the 6th card and amaze them by showing the cards are the same. Well, that is the end of the video. Let me know if you enjoyed it, if you might use it, or maybe how you would change it. Please give the video a like, subscribe for more card trick tutorials like this, and see you soon.